Có luas a chúla sin, bhí mé géirí eicil, chunastá ag éirí lo in aig na póiteála. Mar sin, amach liom I lár na hithe le muairseirí Páirce Tsavo.
Patrol works day and night.
Mostly during the night. During the day, we see there are some activities, footprints for the poachers. That's how we plan on how we can work during the night hours. Because most of the poachers here, they normally work during the night hours. We have people, they are doing poaching for the big animals like elephant. For the tusks, they are using the tusk of the elephant. But most of the poachers from here, they are going for the game meat. Small animals, what we call game meat. Dig, kulu.
What type of animals are these? Dig?
Kind of an antelope, but not that much big.
Okay.
Dig. This meat they take to sell.
And what's a good night for a poacher? How many animals could he take?
They can come out with over 10 to 15 dig
in one night?
During one night. And those are hours, not the whole night. Maybe he can get here from 9 to almost around maybe 12, midnight, and they're out. And by that time, they can have even more than 10 to 15.
So what's the plan on tonight's patrol?
Today we are going to put an ambush where a place normally the poacher using to get inside the conservancy to make poaching.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Sean, on the foot patrol is tá siúlan is. Tá much an jeep ágal a wad sheer. An rud is stacker faoi Sean an níl is agam cá bhfuil me, céineáid sa park bhfuil me. Tá an ihe héis titim, tá sé dubhdorcha bhí an gealach amach. River ach an is. I mean, Jocha cailte an sciopí am hen seo.
Poachers, this is the area mostly they used to get in with.
Okay.
This area.
They armed?
They are armed. Most of the poachers here, they use bow and arrows, but the arrows they are using, they are poison. If they come across you before you see them, they can hit you before. And once they hit you before, you are gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, figure seo. Tá much héis teachtas teachadí an cinál. Is faoin scá an crán seo. Agus tá clúdach mór tá sé déanta ag na Rangers tá hideout crutha acu an seo. Seo spota ina hagan siad gach trí nó ceithre ihe agus fanan siad an seo feadh tamil. Hideout atá ann agus watch point chumá. Agus an rud tá ann. Faide. Déadach siad bheith fannach caicíist nó trí seachtain. Fannach ar an poacher sin. Trí seachtain ag éirí an fear sin all. Agus an sin, bhín an tálo. Shh. Sick. Ceap mé se go thula mé rud éige now. Did you hear something there?
That is an hyena.
A what? A hyena? A hyena, lads. And they're coming this way. I feel something go me road in Roscoe. Not be a blikeout. This is all like a cry, like a shriek. Yes, hyenas. Will they come towards us or will they stay away?
It depends.
It depends.
Yeah.
What's that?
Those are porcupine.
I mean, got cúpla nóid ahrí in na fumani an seo. Bhí is agam gur chula me shriek ag and now porcupines,
yeah.
Hyenas.
Yeah.
You never told me about the hyenas. Commander, thanks for a great night. I really enjoyed the patrol.
Thank you. Welcome.
You know,
good night.
I really appreciate it, Commander.
Okay, welcome.
Thanks, mate. Have a good night. Thanks. Thanks for doing security now. Good night. Good night. Commander, is everything okay?
Okay.
You're going to stay there, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, thanks, Commander. Good night, good night, good night. Have a good night, good night. Thanks.
Good night.
Good night now.